every Friday, every Saturday, every Sunday. That's what I work, guys. 365 days a year for 14 years, while my wife and kids were out in the summertime during spring enjoying themselves at the mall, at the pool, at the lake, doing whatever they want. I was stuck at a job that didn't care about me. I didn't have a life, and all I wanted was true time freedom. And not only did I not get that time freedom, but they also fired me, which allowed me to be homeless. And that actually put me in a way worse situation than I was in the beginning, because I didn't have a plan B. I didn't have any money saved, because I had allowed a job to not only control my income, but also be able to just dictate my life, and which almost ruined my family. Which, to be honest with you, when I got fired, I actually told myself I didn't want to work for anybody, guys. So that's when I came into the online space. And then I slowly discovered digital marketing, and that's when I came across this blueprint that has allowed me to earn $600 to $900 a day, guys, on a 2-hour workday. And what I love also, guys, is that I don't have to bother anybody. I don't have to chase anybody. I don't have to get on the phone with no one. Guys, look here. I have a rejection-free business, and I've never heard the word no in my business, because I have a fully automated system that I get once I join this opportunity, once I join this business. And that funnel, which has high converting emails, guys, it runs my business on autopilot. It builds relationships with my leads, and it turns my leads into customers. Again, a 2-hour workday. There's no tech involved. So I don't have to worry about any inventory. I don't have to worry about, reaching out to anybody. The company builds, creates, and sets up your websites for you. Again, allowing me to have time to be able now to do the things that I love that I wasn't able to do when I was working 12 hours a day. And now we have this new thing called a legacy builder, guys, where we're getting ready to create 1,000 six-figure earners and equip them with the skills and the tools and the training, and give them all the resources to be able to earn $900 a day, working 2 hours a day from anywhere in the world, as long as they have a Wi-Fi connection and a phone. Guys, if you want to know more about this system that I'm using, where we're getting live training and live coaching by a 7-figure earner who has made over $1 million in digital marketing, and we're getting ready to create 1,000 six-figure earners, guys, in 2024. Then put the word yes in the comment section so I can send that information over to you guys.